Hey, welcome to our online course, Statistical Analysis Skills Training in Excel. We are glad to see you visit us. Are you looking out to build a great career in the field of data analytics? You probably know how to do basic analyses, but want to learn about advanced data analytics functionalities. One of the most advanced features of data analytics is the application of statistical methodologies on big data. Well, if you are looking to learn the comprehensive skills on how to apply statistical techniques on large data sets, then you are at the right place. We will teach you all the powerful statistical analyses that you could do in Excel on large data sets. We will illustrate it through a real-life project that you will need to carry out along with the instructor. This hands-on approach will make it very easy for you to learn the skills quickly and effectively. Why should you learn from us? Skillful Learning has extensive global experience in the data analysis domain. Our content is curated by professionals who have worked with large consulting and financial services firms. There are thousands of participants who are enrolled in our courses globally across 150 plus countries. Our team is available 24/7 for any assistance you may need. So, come let us learn a new skill that you definitely need to know. Sign up now.